airport for me. Nobody, baby.
Veuillez en informer un membre de notre équipage de cabine.
And your attention is safe, this may be performed on the aircraft, that we have flown before.
ክብራትና ክቡራን በኢትዮጵያ አየር ለመብረር ደህና መጣችሁ።
This is Carlo. This is my Airbnb renter. Tell me something about yourself.
I'm a musician, I'm a freelance creative, an entrepreneur, and I'm into conscious living.
Nice. And tell me, where did you bring me today?
So today we find ourselves in Loving Hut. It's a vegan restaurant in the middle of Addis. So everything here is vegan, the milk is vegan, everything is vegan.
And what are we going to eat today?
Today we're gonna have spicy chicken, New York cutlet, and spaghetti, some spaghetti.
Nice. I'm so looking forward to it. No? We also, her mother's here. I want to show Queen Joanna. She's young and beautiful. Let's go to dinner. Spicy chicken. Oh my god, looks so good. This arrived. There were a lot of more pieces, but it looks so good. We started eating before we would get the chance to film it, but especially vegetarian spaghetti. Coffee beans, different taste.
እስከ ቦርደር በዚህ በደቡብ በምስራቅ በሰሜን